चाले दुनिया जहां, चाहूं मैं सबका भला, हर हाथ से एक पौधा नया लग जाए फिर और क्या। मुझको बचा ले दुनिया जहां, चाहूं मैं सबका भला, हर हाथ से एक पौधा नया लग जाए फिर और क्या। थोड़ी सी मिट्टी, थोड़ा सा पानी, तेरा इसमें क्या लगता है। ना काटो मुझे दुखता है, ना काटो मुझे बड़ा दुखता है। मैं तेरा हिस्सा हूँ, तू मेरा हिस्सा है, मुझसे ही तू सुनता है। ना काटो मुझे दुखता है, ना काटो मुझे बड़ा दुखता है। दुखता है, दुखता है।
The impacts of climate change are far-reaching and include rising sea levels, more frequent and severe weather events, and loss of biodiversity. It's up to it's, it's all of us to take actions to address this issue and protect our planet for future generations.
To know what is happening because of climate change, here are the effects and facts by my friends.
Most major natural disasters of recent years can be connected to climate change.
Climate change can cause colder winter. The Arctic is one of the most affected area by climate change.
Water pollution. Arctic sea ice and glaciers are melting due to global warming. Average sea level is expected to rise between 0.5 to 1.5 meters before the end of the century.
Global warming. A 2-degree Fahrenheit change in global temperatures is enough to cause major changes on the Earth. Global temperatures have increased by about 1 degree Celsius in the past century.
Increase in diseases. Incidences of asthma are likely to increase due to climate change. The United States is the second largest contributors to carbon dioxide in our atmosphere.
संभल जाओ ये दुनिया वालों, अभी भी वक्त है। संभल जाओ ये दुनिया वालों, अभी भी वक्त है, क्योंकि यह कुदरत तुम्हारे खिलाफ बहुत सख्त है, बहुत सख्त है।
The world is changing, that much is clear. These signs are all around us, year after year. The ice caps are melting, the oceans are rising, the weather is shifting. It's not surprising.
Poetry has the power to help us to connect with this issue on a deeper level, to feel its impact in a way that statistics and facts can't convey. So please join me welcoming Devik and Tripatri, who will be sharing their poem about climate change.
Good morning to one and all present here. I am Tripatri Kaur.
And I am Devik Chopra. Today we are going to recite a poem on Safe Earth.
The sand of time have rendered fear. Blue skies on high, no longer clear. The stars were bright whence they came, now dim, obscured by pollution's haze.
Crystal clear our waters cleaned, fish abundant, rivers streamed, ocean floors sandy wide, now littered brown pollution's plight.
Trees towered high above, trunks bearing professed love. Birds chirping from sights unseen. Gone, paper joined pollution steam.
One can't blame pollution alone. As they say, you reap what you've sown.
So let us plant a better seed. Tear out old roots, cultivate and weed.
Protect what has been given for free. Our waters, skies, wildlife and trees. For once they're gone, don't you say. Consider yourself warned of that fatal day. Thank you.
For this beautiful poem.
Now, I would like to call my friends for sharing solutions to climate change. Remember, every action we take, no matter how small, can make a difference against the fight of climate change.
Plant trees. A single tree will absorb 1 ton of carbon dioxide over its lifeline.
Stop deforestation. Stop deforestation and commit to rebuilding damaged ecosystem. Each one of us should plant trees to increase the forest.
Putting a thermostat down in water in summer could save up about 2,000 pounds of carbon dioxide a year. Drive less, walk, bike, carpool, or take mass transport more often. You will save 1 pound of carbon dioxide for every mile you don't drive. Save one regular light bulb with a compact fluorescent light bulb will save 150 pounds of carbon dioxide a year.
Turn off electronic devices. Simply turning off your electronic devices like television, stereo, DVD player and computer when you're not using them will save 1,000 of pounds of carbon dioxide a year.
Avoid using products with a lot of packaging. You can save 1,200 pounds of carbon dioxide if you reduce your trash by 10%.
We can shift to renewable energy sources such as biogas, wind energy, solar energy instead of fossil fuels in all key sectors.
Thank you for sharing these important.
Now, I would like to call respected Vice Principal Sir on the stage to say a few words.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, sir. Class 8, C, D and E sections. I would like to congratulate the class teachers also. Within a limited time, they have done the wonders over here. Congratulations, teachers, and the students. They deserve a huge round of applause. Your friends of class 2, how we can stop or control the climate change. You know what is a climate change? They have explained you each and everything over here. But the most important thing is how to control. There are few steps, very few steps which can do the wonders. We can use the public transport. We can save the energy. While you are not in the classroom, you will have to switch off the electricity switches, ACs. But one thing that is disturbing all of us, all your teachers, me, principal ma'am, that is in the evening we are getting the calls from the parents. Sir, साढ़े पुत्र नू तो चक्कर आ रहे सी, बहुत गर्मी थी, आपने AC ऑन नहीं किए. But we have to save the energy also. Okay? We can understand your problem also, but alongside we have to be very conscious while we are using the natural resources. Right? There will be no guarantee of water, food, energy if we are not controlling the climate change. Do you know that? Now few things that I would like to discuss with you all along with the teachers. Teachers, please, while you sign the registers in the morning, immediately after that you are supposed to go upstairs in your classes and you will have to stay in the classes only. And keep a strict eye on the students while they are in the classes before the prayer. Clear? And at the time of dispatch, you will have to walk quietly and इन 2 rows बचे. Clear? In 2 rows